Hi, I'm Camilla Blossom, and I am thrilled to share a kind of new octave, a higher octave program on flower essence magic and the alchemy of transformation. And I've been teaching for 30 years about flower essences, but right now these key flowers are showing up that really want to work with us, that can really help us with what we're all dealing with right now. We have the lilies, we have trees, we have lupin, mullein, yarrow. There's certain ones that are just ready. They're ready to work with us. And when you sign up for this program, this online program with me, you actually get a free kit that comes with it that I would mail to you. And this is the kit, Flower Essence Magic Kit. And inside we have these beautiful 9 flowers and energies made from essences that I've been making for over 20 years. And it also includes the medicine of the grandmothers. I feel it's really important for us to tune into our own ancient energy, our own ability to tap into our own inner wisdom and that ancient knowledge, that ancient knowing that each one of us carries inside. So the grandmothers really want to work with us. So we have a grandmother essence called Montu, the timeless one. We have other flowers, as I mentioned. The white lily really wants to bring through and anchor within us the white ray of purity and peace. We have some that want to work with the violet ray, some that work with the pink ray. So we'll be learning about color, we'll be learning about the meanings of different shapes and signatures of the flowers. We'll be journeying with them to have our own experiences, to really know our medicine, know what we need, and also from that know what our clients, patients, people, our family, what others need. And so today I've been out here with the white lilies. I'm seeing the trillium and the fawn lilies and feeling that incredible white ray that wants to overlight this course, honor the sensitive ones, honor the empaths, honor the teachers, healers, light workers, and really bring this medicine, this vibrational magic to those who need it, especially going through what we all are going through right now. So I encourage you to look more at the program and see if it's a good fit. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all. And ask the flowers, ask the flower fairy, ask the spirits of the trees, ask the plant realms, the green realms, the beloved ones of our planet. Is this something, is this relationship something you want to build with them? And if you are getting a yes, I would encourage you to consider joining Flower Essence Magic and having this beautiful relationship blossom. So thank you so much and have a beautiful day.